Yo, what down with the family? Hey shorty, welcome back to the channel. You feel me? You dig what I'm saying, man? Hey, so today we got a big thing going on. It's a big boho haul slash luxury man shoe up. You dig what I'm saying? So just got everything right here, so we finna go ahead and see what's in this thing. You feel me? Y'all already know the script, so go ahead and do that, and we finna see what's in this, shorty. No cap, no kizzy. With this, I think I ordered like 4 or 5 things. I don't know, because I really forgot what I ordered. But we finna go ahead and see what's in here, shorty. For real. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Oh, snap. Okay. So first thing first, we have this, I don't even know what is this. So it's a leather jacket. It's a leather jacket. Let's see how this look. Ooh, okay. Oh, and it's like cut off. Okay, so this how it looks. Can y'all see that? Yes, sir. So I'm definitely gonna do a try on haul for you guys, just to let y'all know like how it fits, how to wear, and all that stuff. So this is one of the pieces that I got from Boohoo. You feel me? This is really nice. Boy, I'm finna be looking like Blade out here in a minute. On the guys, that's nice as hell, shorty. Like, I wanted to add more colors, so I just went and cut like a whole bunch of green things. So we just gonna see what else they got. Okay, so now we got this. This is a Letterman jacket V-neck jumper, forest green. So we finna see how this look. This actually, I can see myself wearing some nice shorts with this. So this how I look right here. So this actually something decent. What size did I get this in? I got this. This is a, well, this better say a large. Oh, I thought it said a medium. I was gonna go crazy. This is a large. So this is actually, I always wanted more green. I don't know why I've been leaning towards green, but hey, shorty, for sure. This nice. I'm gonna get those New Balance. It's these 550 New Balance that's white and green, and it goes straight with that. Oh yeah, we gonna be decent for the summertime, shorty, for sure. There's some jogging pants. Oh yeah, because they ended up running out of these. It was like some jogging, like track pants, but it was white and green on the side, so they ran out. Ooh, damn, this shit thick as hell. I thought it was like, it looked like it was supposed to be velvet from the picture. I thought it was gonna be like more of a velvet way, but this how it looks. And where is it? Where'd it go? And so this is, what does that? Oh, so right here it says, you really can't see that, but it says official. It says official man limited edition. So I guess this is part of the limited edition for the man wear. But this is decent. But like I said, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a whole look, you dig. I'm gonna do a try on haul for this, for sure. Next video though. Oh, this is a Letterman jacket. Letterman jacket green. You did what I'm saying, shorty. Gotta go with the green. Wealth equals health. Recycle all the time. Not open it. Yee, this is decent. This is decent. Yee, I love the green on it, shorty. I like this green. I like how they got, I don't know, this like a yellowish, a mustard yellow or something. I don't know. This high. I got this in a large. I didn't try it. I ain't tried it on well. Of course, y'all know I really ain't tried this on, but this is the back of it. I don't know if y'all can read that or whatever. But this is decent, bro. I got some nice little pickups for sure. Well, I can't wait to try these on, shorty. I'm finna be out here fresh. No cap, no kizzy. Look, like I said before, this is like a big look boho haul slash luxury footwear. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna try these on today. I'm actually gonna incorporate that with another video, but I am gonna show you these luxury shoes that I do have. So I end up picking up 3 luxury shoes, some Rick Owens, some Prada, and some Prior Moss Reeboks. Now Prior Moss recently, they just came out with another drop. I think it's called the Scope, with the blue bottom and the black, but they sold out. So I ended up copping those. I think y'all saw those in the last video, but don't worry about it. You haven't, y'all finna see this in this one. We have these. Now these is my Rick Owens, bro. These my babies. I love these so much, and I am, like I said, I'm gonna do like a little outfit try on haul with these. You dig what I'm saying? But I end up picking these up. I actually love these. I love this colorway. I love everything about it, and I love you can damn near wear this with anything. And also, bro, they definitely look better when they dirty. When they got like a little scuff on them, not messed up, but when they got a little scuff on them, all that. But yeah, these are my babies, my little Rickies. Ricky, no cap, no kizzy for sure. Beta goat, but you know I gotta get her a pair. You dig what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna get a different colorway of these, probably like in a brown or orange colorway, just to go with the neutral tones. You dig what I'm saying, shorty? Y'all already know what's going on, no cap. Next up, we have, I don't know if y'all can see these or not. Nope, y'all can't see these. But this is the product. This is my product, babies. My product Thunders. You dig what I'm saying? The Cloud Busters, no cap, no kids. You feel me? So, like I said before, I'm gonna really go into details in the other video when that's gonna be uploaded. But I'm just gonna let y'all know what I got. You know, I had to spoil myself. You feel me? Been working too hard to be dealing with all this. I gotta spoil myself. So these are my product Cloud Thunders. Yes, sir. Now these is actually, bro, I fell in love with these when I first saw them, so I definitely had to get them. I wish I would have got them in the original colorway, the black and yellow, because I had a raw idea with it. But this will do because this is a natural tone color and it goes for everything. You dig what I'm saying? This is how I look. You feel me? So I'm gonna definitely give y'all a whole review on all the shoes that I picked up. You feel me? And let y'all know if it's worth it or not. You dig what I'm saying? But this my babies, man. You feel me? Comes with the whole look. You dig the product card and stuff like that. Real official, like a whistle, no cap, no referee. You dig what I'm saying, shorty? But yeah, it comes with the card and everything. Then the card inside with the little product thing. You feel me? With the little product, you know. And then I got the, you know, the product card, and it make me feel like I'm real exclusive. Gift certificate at that. No cap, no kizzy. Had to buy my own self a gift. You feel me? Right here, we have the Pierre Moss Reebok. Alright, so y'all probably saw this in my last video, but I never did a try on. I never really went into details about this shoe. I'm happy that I got this colorway in a decent price, you feel me? Because all the other colorways, they really ain't have my size, none of this, but this is more of a neutral colorway with the pink bottom, shorty, on the game, and you see it. You see it. Well, you can't see it because it's blurry, but you see it, shorty. Look at that. Man, listen, hey, I love this shoe. You feel me? I just can't wait to dress it up more and more because I really haven't been wearing this shoe. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get into that, you feel me, next video with the try-ons. I'm going to make a try-on haul shoes. You dig what I'm saying? I'm going to go into details about it. You know, we finna go ahead and wrap that up. I'm coming out with another video for the try-on hauls, you feel me? So I can really give y'all my exclusive details on it, if it's worth buying or not. You did what I'm saying? So like I said before, wealthy family, love y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by. You feel me? No cap, no kizzy. Comment down below. I'll let y'all know everything. You feel me? So y'all go ahead and have a blessed day, nice day. Do what y'all gotta do, but make sure it's productive. You feel me? Love y'all, shorty. Y'all have a good one. No cap. And we done, shorty. We out here. I'm finna get